Windsor, a charming and historic town situated in the picturesque county of Berkshire, England, offers a plethora of captivating attractions and activities for tourists to indulge in. Nestled along the serene banks of the River Thames, Windsor is perhaps best known as the home of Windsor Castle, the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the world. A visit to this majestic fortress is an absolute must, allowing you to explore its grand state apartments, witness the changing of the guard ceremony, and bask in the rich history that has unfolded within its walls for over 1,000 years. Strolling through Windsor's enchanting streets, you'll encounter a myriad of quaint shops, cafes, and restaurants, perfect for a leisurely afternoon of exploration. Eton, just across the river, is a charming twin town where you can explore the historic Eton College and its beautiful chapel, a remarkable symbol of British educational heritage. For those seeking a connection with nature, the Windsor Great Park is a sprawling 5,000-acre expanse of natural beauty that beckons with its pristine landscapes, tranquil lakes, and ancient woodlands. It's an ideal place for a leisurely walk, picnic, or even a horseback ride through the serene countryside. If you're a fan of equestrian sports, Windsor is home to the renowned Windsor Racecourse, where you can witness thrilling horse races while savoring the excitement of the trackside atmosphere. Additionally, nearby Ascot Racecourse hosts world-famous horse racing events like Royal Ascot, attracting both horse enthusiasts and fashion aficionados from around the globe. Windsor also boasts the delightful Savile Garden, a horticultural gem within the Windsor Great Park, where visitors can immerse themselves in a breathtaking array of colorful flowers and meticulously landscaped gardens. The Butterfly House is a particular highlight, allowing you to witness the enchanting dance of butterflies amidst lush tropical vegetation. For families, Legoland Windsor Resort is a haven of fun and adventure, featuring an array of exhilarating rides, interactive exhibits, and themed attractions that will delight visitors of all ages. It's a fantastic destination for a day of family entertainment. If you're interested in exploring Windsor's history and culture further, the Windsor and Royal Borough Museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits that trace the town's evolution over the centuries, providing insight into its royal connections and the lives of its residents. Windsor's culinary scene is also noteworthy, offering a diverse range of dining experiences to suit every palate. Whether you prefer traditional British fare in a cozy pub, international cuisine in a stylish restaurant, or a scenic afternoon tea overlooking the river, Windsor has dining options to satisfy your culinary cravings. In conclusion, Windsor's unique blend of history, natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern attractions make it a captivating destination for tourists. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, sports enthusiast, or simply seeking a relaxing getaway, Windsor has something to offer everyone, ensuring that your visit to this charming town will be an unforgettable experience.